This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
So when it comes to marketing a movie, generally there are some standard things which which movie marketing companies do, right? So one is that you have you have these behind the scenes kind of footage. Okay, so that is used. Then interviews with the cast. Okay, then you would also ask the people acting in the movie to use their own social channels to promote content. In fact, it's a part of the contract, right? So when with respect to how they should be using their social channels to promote uh, the movie, right? Then of course the trailer, the some other scenes. So these are things which these are very some very powerful content assets, okay, which you should not miss out if you are responsible for marketing a movie on social media, because ultimately the more original content you have, okay, the more original, interesting, and if it's movies, then it is, the content can be gripping, humorous. These are the things which people look for, okay, and so that is there. Now this is a example of a recent movie called OK Computer. Okay, it's released on. Let me just increase the. Yeah. Okay, so OK Computer is a web series on Disney and Hotstar. Okay, so you can see how they have used social media. So for example, OK Computers is really about, it's a movie on the world of tomorrow, right? Where there is a lot of technology, AI. It's 2031, and this has really now a part of our lives. So it's about that. Okay, and there's Jackie Shroff. Is interesting cast. There's Jackie Shroff and I'm okay, Radhika Shetty, right? So interesting cast. Now the thing is, how what have they done on uh, Radhika Apte? Sorry. What so with respect to marketing on social media? So one of the first things is they have this hashtag, right? So whatever posts that they are doing, they will start using this particular hashtag. Okay. So the thing is, when you start seeing this, then you start recognizing this hashtag. So that's why it's good to define it right in the beginning. Okay, and whenever you are posting, then it makes sense to also tag the people who are in it, because then they can also then relay it on their respective social channels. Okay, then you can see that the Disney and Hotstar had made this particular post, and then Jackie Shroff responded to it, right? And he did it with this particular hashtag, right? So then the other thing is recording. So this was something to go with the flow, okay, go with the entire flow of it, which is basically this. Since it is futuristic, what they did is they got like a voice recording from the future. Like if you play it, yeah, just something to get people curious. So they did this. So this kind of audio recording. So you can see how they have used the interface, right, and what kind of a video they have used to get people curious about what kind of a movie it is. I mean, the idea is to get people curious, and then after that, you know, once people are curious, then they'll just go and download, or as in just go and go to Prime, or sorry, go to Hotstar and then watch it, right? Then the announcement posters, right? So Then the trailers, this is the trailer which they released. They're introducing the characters to futuristic posts. Okay, so each of the characters was introduced in this manner, which introduced in a short video. You can see, for example, this video. Okay, so this is just 5 seconds. This is the kind of if you're a creative, you're in the creative team of the. If you're a so every social media marketing department, you especially in bigger companies, so there'll be a person who's actually doing the post, and there is someone who'll be responsible for these kinds of designs and creatives. Okay, and increasingly it's the responsibility of the design person to also come up with this design/video person to come up with these short videos. Okay, short is which is like this. Now you can see it's 5 seconds, right? Which will do the job on social media. Okay, so each of the characters was introduced by these kind of videos. Then interviews with the stars. This is something which is natural. You'll have. Then memes. Okay, memes have become like an essential part of the entire activity done on social media, especially if it is a movie, right? So now this meme has a visual, but sometimes it is without visuals also. It's just something, okay, sometimes just something funny. Okay, so this is another meme which involving Jackie Shroff, and you can see Vijay Verma, who's in the movie, has responded to it. Okay. Right, so those were memes, and these were funny. You can say these are funny lines. Okay, so these are things. Then countdown posts. Just one day to go. Trying to increase the curiosity. And then the reaction. Now the whole you should consider your social media marketing strategy definitely successful if important people or influential people start responding to your posts. Okay, so so for example, this one, just saw the trailer, and he's a man of the hour. So that is the best proof that people are responding by themselves. They have liked what you're putting out in the trailer, in the short videos, the hashtag strategy that you have, the memes that you have put up. Overall, it makes people curious, and if they start posting about it themselves, that is the best measure of success.